Hello everybody. Today I want to clean my garden. Couple of days ago it was so cold it killed all my tomato and my pepper. And now look at this. It's all gone. Now it's a time of today, a beautiful day, and I want to clean up my garden. And I want to put on this plastic, okay, after I put on the street in the city, it come with a truck and pick up. Now we start from over here, everybody see the pepper, look at this, it's all frozen. And you pull each one like this. Okay, now you see this, look there. You see the pepper? Now this pepper over here, you break, look. You see, it's water inside. It's not good no more. It's why I pull everything. This is the pepper. Now, I'll show you over here something. I got the rosemary. Nighttime, it dropped, it cold. And what I do, I got this, and I put on the top. A day after, still it's cold, I'll leave. But see, got a nice sun, I'll take the cover off. And I'll keep this right over here. And now we do the rest of the pepper. Like this. And now it's a good time to clean up. After I want to rake everything. So you got some place to get the manure, horse manure. When you clean up everything, put the horse manure on the top. And when it's at the end of the next year, the end of the March, you can turn the ground and like this it be ready when you start to plant the April. Like the manure, when the snow, everything, it's really, really good. Now, everybody know my parsley over here. And what I did this box with the plastic. And after nighttime, it's too cold, I got the plastic and I'm covered. But look how beautiful this parsley over here. Look at that. It look really, really like celery leaves. It's so beautiful. See this? It's every year I do this. It's everything of me. So I want to eat some tomato, this and that. You gotta work. And you gotta clean up. Now it's a time to clean up. Everybody's supposed to do this job. And not scared to clean up. Look at that. Hey, you dump over here. Okay, now we do with this rake. And with this, look, still you got some. And now we rake. You got something to pull out. Still you got some, and you pull out when you clean up. Look.
Got him to stop.
Today a busy day. Ambulance, me, dog. Woo, woo, woo. Today, I'm busy too.
What is it?
A snake, look. Look at this. Come on. Go. Go. Okay.
You're gonna move it?
Go ahead. Go. All right. You got it. Okay, now Jeremy, I gotta rake. Okay, this is my homemade arugula for the seeds. It's 2019. I want to plant it today. Okay, now I want to dig a little ground and I plant my arugula. Okay, this I don't gotta dig a lot. Only one row for the arugula. It look nice this ground. It's a nice soft. And we planted the arugula. And I want to show everybody the way they planted the arugula. Like the arugula, you know, gotta go too deep on the ground. You gotta go right almost on the top. Now, one time I planted this arugula, I gotta do the same thing I did this. And what I do, I put more, one plastic over here, and like this, the arugula, it's safe to stay nice. Okay, now what I gotta do with my hands, I do the place I gotta put the arugula. And I do like this, look. Only a little bit. Oh, go all the way down. That's enough. Okay, now we put the arugula like this. Because the arugula is so small. And I got some cilantro and I want to put on this other side over here. And like this, I got the arugula and the cilantro. And the cilantro, you got to put it the same way, like this. Okay, and now we cover, but go easy with the rake, not too much dirt, you know, on the top. Just like that. That's it. Finish. Now I open the arugula, the cilantro come up, and like this I got a cilantro arugula for Christmas. Thank you everybody, we see you next time. Thank you.